In this video, I'm going to show you how to save time with the recycle bin in Zoho Analytics. Please note that Zoho have called the recycle bin trash within Analytics, just to be mindful of that for this video. So the recycle bin is a handy feature that allows you to save time and ensure data integrity by providing a safety net for your deleted data. By understanding the benefits and knowing how to use the recycle bin effectively, you can optimize your time management and avoid potential data loss. The primary benefit of the recycle bin is that it provides a safety net for your data deletion. If you accidentally delete a report, dashboard, or any other component, you can easily restore it from the recycle bin without the need for data restoration from backups. This saves you time and effort in retrieving lost data. The recycle bin helps maintain data integrity by preventing accidental permanent deletions. Instead of permanently deleting data, Zoho Analytics moves it to the recycle bin, allowing you to review and restore it if needed. This ensures that important data is not lost due to human error. It also serves as a version control mechanism for your components. If you make a mistake or need to revert to a previous version of a report or a dashboard, you can retrieve the earlier version from the recycle bin. This adds an extra layer of flexibility and control to your management process. So let me show you how we accidentally delete a report and restore it from within the recycle bin. So log into your Zoho Analytics, navigate to the workspace that you would like to delete a report in, and let's go into one of these sales reports and delete that from here. That's now been deleted. If we navigate to our trash icon on the left-hand menu, I can see that the report is here. Now, if you click on this checkbox, you have the option to restore or to permanently delete it. So let's restore this report. There we go, it's been removed from trash, and if I go over to my workspace, I can see the report has been restored here. Now, as I said earlier, you do have the option to permanently delete a report. When you click on this delete button, it will bring up a pop-up menu. Will bring up a pop-up box where you can confirm permanent deletion. Remember, the recycle bin in Zoho Analytics is a valuable tool for data management and time saving. By utilizing its features effectively, you can ensure data integrity, recover lost information, and have more control over your components. If you found this useful, please share with your colleagues and like, follow, and subscribe to discover our videos as they are released.